Good morning to everybody. Okay, so when you can compare two quantities, will you compare a human being with animal? Will you compare human being with animal? No, we will not compare, because the characters are what? Different. So when we can compare, if the two quantities are in the same units, then only we can compare the two quantities. Are you getting it here? Yes. Then first point is what? When we can compare two quantities, if the two quantities are in the same units, then we can compare any two quantities. Okay, when we are comparing, what we can say? Either equal to, or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or less than. Okay, so when we are comparing two quantities, these are all the observation we can make. What is that? So we can say that this quantity is less than that quantity, otherwise both the quantities are equal, otherwise this quantity is greater than the another quantity. Are you getting it here? Yes. Then after that, second point. What is the second point? How will you compare the two ratios? If the two ratios are A is to B, then A is to B can be written as A by B. A is to B can be written as A by B. Are you getting it here? A is to B can be written as what? A by B. Then, for example, 3 km to 3000 meter. 3 km to 3000 meter. Tell me now, here it is what? Kilometer, here it is what? Meter. Do you think both the quantities are in the same units? No. Here it is in kilometer, it is in meter. So you have to convert both the quantities in the same unit. So 3 km can be written as what? 3000 meter by 3000 meter. Am I right here? 1 kilometer equal to how much? 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to how much? 1000 meter. So 3 kilometer equal to 3000 meter. So you can cancel, then you will get 1:1. Both are same only. Are you getting there? Yes. So when you are comparing the two quantities, the two quantities units must be same. Then equivalent ratios. What is that? Equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios is nothing but, if suppose the two ratios were given, like A is to B and C is to D are equivalent. Two ratios, A is to B and C is to D are given. We are going to check whether these two given ratios are equivalent or not. It's very simple. If the two quantities, that is, if A is to B equal to C is to D, then the two ratios are equivalent ratios. Two ratios are what? Equivalent ratios. Are you getting here? For example, 1:2 and 5:10. Are these two ratios are equivalent or not? What is the question? Are these two ratios are equivalent or not? Are the ratios 1:2 and 5:10 are equivalent? Yeah, very simple. 1:2 can be written as A is to B can be written as A by B. So 1:2 can be written as 1/2. Am I right here? Then after that, here 5:10 can be written as 5/10. Here you can reduce into the lowest form. Right? It goes with 5 table. 1 5 is 5, 2 5 are 10. So that is equal to 1:2. Therefore, 1:2 and 5:10 are equivalent ratios. Because here also 1/2, here also 1/2. A by B equal to C by D. Therefore, these two fractions are what? Given two ratios are equivalent. Are you getting it here? Yes. Then after that, equivalent ratios we discussed, right? Okay. Keeping these in proportion and getting solution. It's very simple. If suppose, how can we say that? So what is the ratio of the length and breadth of our national flag? Our Indian national flag. 3:2. 3:2. It is what? It is length, it is breadth here. It is length, it is breadth. It is length, it is breadth. If suppose, if the length is 6 centimeter, then 3:2, right? I am taking like, okay, 3 meter, 2 meter I am taking. 3 meter and 2 meter. 3 meter and 2 meter. So what will be the breadth of our Indian national flag if length is 6 meter? Are you getting my point? The ratio, what is the ratio of our Indian national flag? 3:2. That is, if the length is 3 meter, then breadth should be 2 meter. Are you getting it here? Yes. So, if the length is 6 meter, what will be the breadth of that? So, it is called as what? Proportion. It is called as what? Proportion. That is, if A by B, if A is to B, is as to C is to D. If A is to B is as to C is to D, then A by B is equal to C by D. That is, the two ratios are equivalent. Two ratios are what? Equivalent. That is AD equal to BC. Otherwise, you can say that AD equal to BC. Please remember, if it is a proportion, A is to B is as to C is to D, then A by B equal to C by D. Otherwise, you can say that AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. And now come here. Here, what will be the answer for us? If the length and breadth of our Indian national flag is 3:2, if the length of our Indian national flag is 6 meter, then what will be the breadth? I think 4. Am I right? Okay, we will check it once. So now see, 3:2 is as to 6:2. We don't know that. Let it be x. Let it be x. Now 3/2 A is to B is as to equal to 6 by x. 6 by x. Are you getting there? Now solve for x. Already you know how to solve the unknown values, right? Already we learned in which one? Simple equation. Okay, now do it now. Cross multiply it. That is 3 into 6 equal to 2 into 6. You can say that. Now x is equal to 2 into 6 by 3. 2 into 6 by 3, which is equal to 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are how much? 4. Therefore 4 meter. Then breadth will be 4 meter. When the length is 6 meter, then the breadth of our national flag should be 4 meter. Are you getting it here? Okay. Then after that, okay, so exercise 8.1 based on this concept only. Which one? Ratios, or the ratio A is to B can be written as A by B. If the two ratios are equivalent, then you can write A by B equal to C by D. That is, A is to B equal to C is to D. If the two ratios are equivalent, then you can say that A by B equal to C by D. Proportion. That is, if A is to B is as to C is to D, that can be written as A by B equal to C by D. C by D. Are you getting it here? Yes. After that, meaning of percentage. What is the meaning of percentage? The percentage is represented by the symbol. Percent is represented by the symbol. So this is the symbol of percentage. This is the symbol of percentage. Am I right here? So okay. So what is the meaning of that? This is the symbol and means hundredths to, and means hundredths to. That is 1% means what? 1 by 100. 1 by 100 per hundredths. 2%, 2 by 100. That is 2 hundredths. Am I right here? So a percentage, that can be written as A by 100. Are you getting it here? Are you getting it or not? 1%, 1 into 1 by 100. 2%, 2 into 1 by 100. A percentage, A into 1 by 100. Per hundredths. Per hundredths. Are you getting it here? Yes. After that, how to convert ratios into percentage. Ratios into percentage. Right? How will you do that? If suppose A is to B is a ratio. To convert ratios into percentage. To convert ratios into percentage. To convert ratios into percentage. Ratios is nothing but it is a fraction only, am I right? Yes. For example, A is to B is a ratio. you are going to convert this ratio into percentage. So A is to B can be written as what? A by B